Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert bullet points in Excel, and this is a quick and practical solution. You can watch it here. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Here you can see my data is shown in column B, and I want the result in column E. I like example bullet point, and text will be like this. And I want the bullet points. How can we do it? First, I'll select the range. And I will copy this bullet points. I will keep this description. This bullet points I'll keep in the description, and you can get from there. So first, select the range. Right click and you see here format cells. Go to format cells and go to custom, and here click this all and paste that bullet points and space and then at the rate and hit OK. Now if I write here anything tax one, you will get the bullet points in front of the text. So if I write here text 2, you will get the same result. Text 3, you get the same. If I write here equals to this sign, you will get the bullet points, and if I write anything, I will get the bullet points. So if I want to change the bullet points, I will go to the same format and I will copy this another bullet points. Copy this format, right click, format cell, and here instead of this black bullet point, I'll write this white bullet points. Hit OK, and we will get the bullet points inserted in the shell. So this bullet points I will keep in the description. You can get from there, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.